In this video, I will show how to create combo charts in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, you need a combo series for data. Then select it, insert, click this arrow. Here select combo. You can select chart type like bar, and for second series you can select here pie. Here you can select this ready to use template. Here you can select your own required chart. Then click on OK. Here you can make more changes. You can change the style, design. You can add the name, adjust the size. Here you can add or remove labels. Lines. And once you change your data here, it will reflect in this chart. So thanks for watching.